Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. In this video, I am going to show you another important program to check whether a given number is positive or negative or zero. For example, if I give a number 6, it should display the number is positive. If I give a number -6, then it should print the number is negative. If I enter 0, then it should print the number is 0. If you notice that there are three different possibilities are there. One is first to check whether the number is positive or not. If it is positive, print the number is positive. Else if the number is negative, means it should display the number is negative. Else, another case, by default, then we can say it is a number 0. So this program demonstrates the concept of if, elif, and else concept. Okay, if, elif, and else concept. Now coming to the logic, whenever any number, if you are going to take any number from the user, if that number is greater than 0, this is my number 6. If this number is greater than 0, it means true. If this expression returns true, then we can say it is a positive number. -6 greater than 0. It means what? The condition is false. You need to check a condition if any number is less than 0. That also you can write -6 less than 0 true. If this is true, then we can say it is a negative number. Otherwise, it is a 0. The number is 0. Okay. So very simple logic. Let me write the program. Take a new file here. Number equal to int of input of enter a number. Okay. Int of input of a number. If this number, you see here, if this number is greater than 0, if this number greater than 0, then we can say print the number is positive number. Okay. Elif in Python, else if can be represented as elif. If number less than 0, if this number is less than 0, then we can say that print the number is negative, right? The number is negative. Else, this is default. Otherwise, print the number is 0. We are going to print the number is 0. So if you want, in this case, you can also note down this condition also, not a problem. But just I am showing you both are true cases. Okay. If you write this case, you have to write in the else block. Okay. Right. Better to use this true condition always. If this number is greater than 0, positive, number is less than 0 means negative, otherwise the number is 0. Save this program as program 7. Then execute this program, go to the run, click on run module. If I give the number 6, the number is positive. Okay. Then let me execute another test case. If I give the number -6, the number is negative. Okay. Let me take another test case for 0 case. let me give the number 0, then it is printing the number is 0. So this concept is covering if, elif, else concept. Okay, if, elif, else concept. Let me copy this code and paste over here. So very important program for the interview point of view to check whether you are able to understand the concept of if, elif, else concept or not. So for that, the interviewer may test you to write this kind of programs. Okay. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.